The Bartons, Chapter 2. Urgent Repairs. I say, Dave, if we don't get the tractor repaired soon, we're going to be in hot water. The whole farm could come to a standstill. You're right, Dad. I'll phone the mechanic right away. That's great, Dave. Maybe he could come tomorrow, or even better, this afternoon. The sooner the better. I'll do my best, Dad, but I've a nasty feeling it's going to be expensive. Don't worry about how we're going to pay, Dave. The farm can shoulder the costs without any problems. That's good to hear, Dad. And now I'm feeling hungry again, and lunch won't be ready for at least another 2 hours. Go and get yourself a sandwich, Dave. That should be enough to keep the wolf from the door. Can I get you something while I'm at it, Dad? No thanks, Dave. I can survive until lunch. And Dave, don't eat too much. You don't want to ruin your appetite. It's chicken for lunch today. Okay, Dad. I'll just pop inside and make myself a sandwich. I'll be back in a minute. And that's all from the Bartons this week. I'll be back next week with Chapter 3. Until then, bye-bye for now.